Welcome to the free 5-day morning Tai Chi challenge, designed to help you start your day with more energy, less stress, and a calm mind. Hi, I'm Dr. Adam Potts, the Tai Chi PT. I've been teaching Tai Chi for over 10 years to thousands of people from all over the world. With this challenge, you're going to experience Tai Chi movements designed to gently stretch the body, improve balance, and create the mental clarity you need to have a fulfilling day. Here's how it works. Over the next 5 days, I'll be sending you an email with the direct link to your video of the day. Just click the link to watch the video, press play, and then just follow along. It's that simple. This challenge is designed for all levels, so if you're wanting to learn Tai Chi the fun and easy way and connect with thousands of other like-minded people, then join me for the free 5-day morning Tai Chi challenge. Just click the first link in the video description below and I'll send you all the details and the challenge calendar. Thank you so much, and I'll see you over there.